salutation. Tamil Thai வாழ்த்து.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராறும் பதனமென திகழ்வரத கண்டமும் தெக்கணம் அதிதிகழ்ந்து திராவிடதன் திருநாடும் தக்கதிரு திரைமுகலும் தரிகடலும் திலகமுமே தமிழகத்தே
Thank you. Please be seated.
Good morning to all. Now I invite the Secretary of our college, Reverend Sister Sahayam, to inaugurate the graduation ceremony. Thank you.
The graduation of the college has been called to distribute the degrees in various subjects of the college upon the candidates who in the examination recently held for the purpose have been certified to be worthy of the same.
Honorable Chief Guest, Secretary and members of the Immaculate College Council, Principal, faculties, distinguished guests, dear parents and our graduates, good morning. I am delighted to extend a warm welcome to you all at this wonderful milestone in the history of Immaculate College calendar as we celebrate the achievements of our students. I feel happy for this privilege given to me to welcome you all for this glittering first graduation ceremony of Immaculate College for Women Kadalur. I am thankful to the Almighty God for His blessings and this opportunity to welcome the dignitaries and the gathering. On behalf of the management, administration, staff and students of Immaculate College for Women Kadalur, I am privileged to extend a warm welcome to all of you. With much excitement and gusto, I am happy to welcome our chief guest, respected Dr. R. Nyanadevan, the Registrar and Namala University for the first graduation ceremony. As the Registrar of the most renowned university, you are doing a lot of welfare measures to this state and to our college. We also appreciate the support you render to us. We are fortunate today for your presence here despite your busy engagements. I extend a warm welcome to our chief guest. Welcome, sir. With due respect and regard, I am delighted to welcome Reverend Mother Austin, the Provincial Lutz Province, who is not amongst us to participate this first graduation ceremony. Dear Mother, it is because of you and your guidance we do our job for the benevolence of the students. Your zeal and passion for our mission is incomparable. I extend a warm and cordial welcome to our Reverend Mother. With exhilaration and joy, I feel proud to welcome our Secretary, Reverend Sister Sahayam, Immaculate College for Women Kadalur. Dear sister, always we are thankful for your counsel and encouragement for the development of this institution. Your favor and dedication, the unreviled spirit, has always been a boon for our growth. On this happy day, I welcome you for this graduation ceremony. Welcome, dear sister. It is my profound duty to welcome our principal, Dr. Manoharan, for his presence, support and tireless involvement to make this event successful one. Welcome, sir. This is an amazing moment to welcome Dr. M. Sushila Devi, the Vice Principal, for this first graduation ceremony. She is always with us, guiding us to do our work in a systematic, orderly way. It is my duty to welcome her for this event. Welcome, ma'am. My heartfelt welcome to all the head of the departments who worked tirelessly throughout their academic career for these graduates to reach this level. Welcome, ma'am. I am happy to extend my welcome to all the teaching and non-teaching, administrative and supportive staff for their presence and their cooperation on this blissful day. Welcome you all on this historic occasion. I am delighted to welcome all the government officials, representatives from churches and parishes, our family of FHM sisters, principals from other colleges and schools, from the police services and our media friends who are here to make this function a successful one. Welcome you all. Dear parents and sponsors, we are thankful to you for the support you gave us during the study of your children at Immaculate College for Women, Kadalur. We will be always with you to provide quality education. I welcome you all with much happiness. Welcome, dear parents and sponsors. Even though I finally welcome our graduates and diplomats, it is a fine and excellent moment having its enormity because you are all our assets. The education and discipline you had here is going to get its significance since you are moving out this campus to spread the values to the nation. You are going to contribute a lot to the society and nation. Let your lives blossom with victory and its fragrance spread everywhere. Welcome, dear graduates and diplomats. All protocol must have been observed, and I welcome you one and all in this fine morning to make the event graceful and successful one. Thank you. Now I invite the Vice Principal, Dr. M. Sushila Devi, to deliver the college report.
Good morning, one and all gathered here. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world, said Nelson Mandela. It gives me an immense pleasure to declare the report of Immaculate College for Women, Kadalur, which was established on 11 June 2015. It's a Catholic minority self-financing institution, absolutely for women, affiliated to Tiruvallur University, Vellore. It is run by the Franciscan Sisters of the Immaculate Heart of Mary congregation. I would like to state that we are marching ahead in full zip towards the realization of our motto, learn, light and liberate. The vision of our college is to provide a broad-based liberal education for women, promote responsible citizenship and to bring effective social change. The mission of our college is to empower young women to face the challenges of modern culture and society with courage and commitment. In 2015, we had started our institution with the strength of 119 students. Presently, we are having 2,100 students. Our college provides arts and science programs in both UG and PG disciplines. They are as follows: BA Tamil, BA English, BCom General, BCom CA, BCom CS, BSc Chemistry, BSc Computer Science, BCA, BSc Mathematics, BSc Physics, BSc Botany, and PG programs are as follows: MA English, MCom, MSc Mathematics, and the diploma courses are Psychology, Transformational Leadership, and Professional Diploma in Aviation. The academic achievements. The function of the education is to teach one to think intensively and to think critically, intelligence plus character. That is the goal of true education. I feel very proud that our students made remarkable achievements in their performance during the university examination that were held in April 2018 and in April 2020 by Tiruvallur University. They received awards and rewards for their academic excellence, and 3 university ranks were backed up by our torchbearers. Today, 169 UG students are being graduated. A. Lavanya from the Department of Commerce secured university first rank. R. Keertana from the Department of Physics secured university 7th rank. and A. Jennifer from the Department of Commerce secured University 10th rank. They added more laurels to our institution. Every year, NSS, YRC and RRC students involved in activities like campus cleaning, blood donation camp, eye camp, health camp and tree plantation. The following are the names of each department association. Every year, this association is functioning by conducting various seminars, workshops and conferences for the respective department students. It was named as the Computer Science as ICW Bytes, Mathematics as IC Sonas, Commerce as Sicasio 2K15, Physics as IC Swoops, English as Smile, Chemistry as ICW Solution, Tamil as Tamilini, Botany as ICW Rock. The departmental activities, we had conducted many seminars like the Micro-Free Society Movement, latest technology in computer science, chronic healing, mathematics in day-to-day life, e-commerce, application of physics in daily life, employability, community skills, career guidance, Sprout personality development, motivation and leadership skills, fuzzy mathematics, building up creativity, rights, duties and power of women, social networks, spectroscopy and its applications, child abuse, poster presentation, speech competition, on the treatment of nature in romantic poetry, Technotics 2018, financial planning for young investors, differential equations, ozone 18, awareness of tuberculosis, information security, Chandrayaan 2, big data and data analytics, education development program on new pedagogic paradigms in learning, one-day national conference on recent trends in chemistry, international conference on recent advancement in biosciences, a global perspective, national conference on photovoltaic technology, and international conference on emerging smart computing and informatics, international webinars like the future of digital learning, decoding national new education policy, online workshop on social media poster and video design bootcamp are also conducted. We have several committees for the welfare of the students such as Women Empowerment Committee, Anti-Ragging Committee, Discipline and Welfare Committee, Placement Cell, Internal Quality Assurance Cell, Guidance and Counseling Cell, Alumni Association, Parent-Teacher Association. Achievement in sports. In sports, our students had participated in many events. They had won gold and silver medal in high jump. They got a cash prize of rupees 25,000 for handball and received gold medal in Silambam. Also, they secured first place in Kabaddi and got rupees 6,000 cash and rupees 18,000 cash prize for beach Kabaddi. Owing to the pandemic situation, the classes and programs for students are conducted online through Zoom and Google Meet. We utilized even this pandemic situation by organizing 3 days virtual international conference, which is a multidisciplinary forum, focuses on innovative projects, theories and research findings in the field of arts and science. Out of their own hard work and with guidance of the faculties, the conference has a milestone in the history of our college. Nearly 900 papers were uploaded in our college website and 8 books were published with the ISBN number. The best participants were selected from each department and awarded with certificates and medals, and the overall best participants were given the opportunity to pursue their higher studies in the Longford International College, Ireland.